Hello and welcome to another video. Thanks so much for joining us once again. Please like the video if you like it, share the video, and remember to push that subscribe button, smash it, pound it, and hit the notification bell so you're always notified when we have new videos coming up. Today we're looking at the Nillkin Magic Disk 4 fast wireless charger. This has the standard Qi charging system, so it will charge most wireless phone devices. This is something that we got off of Groupon, but it's also on Amazon, so I'll leave a link below. Once again, this is not a sponsored video. We pay for this with our own money, and we're just bringing value to you as we see them come our way. Now, this purchase was necessitated because my old charger finally took or bit the dust. I had this one for quite some time, and all of a sudden it just stopped working, so we had to get a new one. And we saw this one, the Magic Disk 4, on Groupon, and it talked about how it had the fast charging. Let's see some of the specs. Fast wireless charging, colorful lights, intelligent protection, Qi standard, easy to charge. What else we got? Has a 5-volt input or 9-volt input depending on the amperage. Charging efficiency less than or equal to 80%. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So this is on Groupon for special. I believe you can get it on Amazon for right around $20 to $25. But let's take a look at it. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I like this one because it has the fast charging capabilities, and some devices offer the ability to have Wi-Fi charging that occurs quickly, such as the LGV40, which is recording this video. So, shout out to LG. This is the instruction manual you get with it. Let's see what's inside there. Basic instructions, have them in English and Chinese. You know, what does what, how it works, where to place the phone, all that good stuff. It has a QR code if you want to join or follow them on Facebook. There's the instructions in Chinese. And there's a couple of cards here. They are in Chinese, and unfortunately I do not speak the language, so I'm not sure what it says, but those are in there. And then here is the fast charger. Look at that branding there. Nillkin fast charge. It's a glass, or I don't know if it's glass, plastic top. That's how it looks on the bottom. There is the AC port for micro USB jack. Anyway, there it is. And what else we got in here? There's no, I believe this is going to be the charging cable. There's no brick. So, yep, this is just the charging cord. Once again, USB standard to USB-C that goes into the charger itself. So let's get this thing plugged up and see what kind of activity you got. Now, depending on your device, you have to check your device. If your device has wireless charging, you have to see if it supports the fast wireless charging, which is part of the new Qi standard. You have to see if that your phone supports that. It may or may not. Can't say. I know mine does. We have an iPhone 8 Plus here in the house, which supports wireless charging. I can't say for sure that it supports fast wireless charging. Okay, I gotta find a dongle or brick to plug this into. Hold on one more. Aha, trusty brick. Go ahead and plug that in. Another way. Let's get down here and plug it into the strip. Here we go. Oh, you see how that lights up? Okay, looks like there's a red ring on my video or my screen, but it may not show up that way on your screen. what I see is a solid whitish, pinkish light pink light under the bottom of this this plate here. What we'll do is we'll try it with a phone on top and see what that looks like. Hold on, I'll get a phone. It should light up blue. Oh, there it is. So that blue light indicator lights up when you're charging a phone. Once the phone reaches 100%, that light will go off. So that's cool. That works. I like that blue light. It looks especially good at night, I'm sure. Alright, so we saw how the iPhone 8 Plus charged the device. You saw the blue light indication letting you know that it's charging. Once again, once that is done charging, once your phone reaches 100%, then this will shut off and you won't see that blue light anymore. Yeah, this is a great little charger. I'm excited to see how it works all across the multiple devices that we have that support wireless charging here in the house. And if there's anything new that pops up, I'll come back and give you an update. But for now, we're saying goodbye to this broken one and hello to the Nillkin Magic Disk 4 fast wireless charger. Link below in the description. If you decide you want to pick one up, we'll put that link below so you can get yours off of Amazon. I don't think they're on Groupon anymore, but I do know they're on Amazon. And hopefully, once you get yours, you'll find it has great value for you. As always, thanks for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to join us. Remember, state of mind equals state of being. So let's get it done. Take care.